Okay, I think we're live. Let's just double check here. This is the right account. Okay, it's the right Streamlabs account because it's showing up on here. Okay, I think I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds for people to actually come in. Let's see. Okay, I think we're live. I'm gonna actually move the mic closer in. Here we go. So then, oh come on. So you guys will be able to hear me a bit better. I know it looks a bit weird. Just don't worry about it. Just don't look at the microphone. There we go. So I think the audio should be a little bit better. If not, let me know how the audio sounds like if I put it out of frame. Can you guys still hear me? No, that's terrible. I think I'm gonna just keep it next to my face. It's easier. Okay. Question is, did YouTube notify people that we are live? They did. Okay, cool. I think the title is going to throw a lot of people off, so we're just going to put it on. There we go. BenObi Tech Live 13/4/series. Okay, cool. So, okay, so we got 4 people on. Sweet. Okay, hello, Young Saturn. Hello, Destroyer Tech. Hello, Lucas. Welcome to today's live stream. I don't know how to fix the microphone, by the way. It's the green screen. It looks weird. Anyway, what do you guys think about the background? Do you like it? Is it better than yesterday's test stream one? Let me know. Feedback is always good. The audio is fine, and I got notified, so everything is good. Okay, cool. Hopefully everyone else got notified as well, because we've got 5. It says 5 people on YouTube and 4 on Streamlabs. I don't know who to believe. Do we have the bot in the chat? We want to see if that works as well. Okay, so in today's stream, we have a couple of things I want to actually talk about, both tech and jailbreak related. So this is going to be a pretty good stream. And I tried to get DJ Fuel on here, but apparently he's busy, so we won't be able to do a jailbreak Q&A in this live stream. I mean, of course, you can ask me jailbreak questions as well. But yeah, background looks nice. Thank you. I was actually thinking of putting the background from downstairs behind me, but I took the picture with my phone, and for some reason Windows can't read the thing. So kind of like the bright colors though. Okay, cool. Gloss white. Gloss white all things. Hello, the Nintendo Zone. By the way, is the music too loud, or is it good enough? Is my audio good? Is it too loud? Because right now it's showing me that it is at 0 decibels right now. So it should be alright. I don't know. Hopefully the bot will automatically speak. Hopefully. If not, we could just test it real quick. Background looks awesome. Okay, everyone loves the background then. Cool. DJ Fuel on here? No, DJ Fuel isn't on here. I asked him if he wanted to come on. He was like, I'm busy this week, so we'll have to do it next week. He was on my channel before. I think the next stream I'm going to do with him is going to be on his channel. Ben has the guest list. There's no guests on this tonight, so tonight is just me. Next week I may do one with you guys. So I was gonna do it today. Well, I wanted to do it on Monday, but I think Monday I actually did the stream earlier in the day. Can you get Brandon Butch on here? I can try. I'm not sure he's gonna come on. I would love to get Everything Apple Pro on here, but it'll never happen. Make it black. Paul, what is it with it? I changed the background. You said to change it to something, to gray or something. There's gray on here. But if you want me to make it black, just send me some 4K. I need a better background than this then. I mean, people like it, so if everyone likes it, I don't see a point in changing it. Okay. Actually, I was trying to get some cool overlays done. I want to get some cool overlays for the chat going. I remove the pop filter. Green screen looks weird. Okay, I'll remove the pop filter. Just give me a second. I'm gonna. Hello? Okay, it's working. Good. Okay, is this better, Paul? Oh, that actually looks way better for me. There we go. Does it work? Does the mic sound good? Hello? Boom. Because if this setup works better, then wait, actually I don't know if this is gonna work. What if I... No, yeah, I can't turn it that way. So I could put it like that. Much better. Yeah, because I was thinking, like, how can I remove the yeah, that's how it looks like. It looks so weird. I don't know why it looks like that. Perfect. Much better. I'm not sure if the audio is going to sound better. You probably hear the pops and stuff more. Everyone left when I changed the pop filter. The mic sounds crap like on my end. Really? Can someone else confirm that, please? Does it sound better now? Or maybe if I move it closer to me, it'll probably sound better. Like that. Nope, that's gonna show the cable, and I don't want to have the cable in the frame. Stay out of frame for cable. Yes, I'm gonna make more top tweak videos. In fact, I've shot 3 today, so you will be seeing at least 3. Your mic is fine, I think. Okay, if it's fine, it's good. Oh wow, Lucas has done it. Thank you, Lucas. What? Paul, does it actually sound better than before? Should it? I don't know. I'm just trying to jailbreak my phone again here because it's rebooted. That's the thing I don't like about jailbreaking. Oh yeah, it's better now, at least for me. Okay. Okay, if it's everyone else says it's bad, it's good. Ben, can I leave the stream so I can break my device? Repair break? What? Sounds like a fishbowl. Is that good or bad? It's perfect. Okay, it's perfect. Paul says it's perfect, so he knows his stuff about audio. I mean, this isn't a Blue Yeti, so he's happy. Okay. So, I also want to address a couple of things that I'm going to be changing a little bit on the channel. Because if you guys didn't know, I did a massive creator live stream early morning on Monday with a bunch of other YouTubers. So I had who did I have on there? I had Jump Processor on there, who actually gave me and the other guys on the stream a lot of tips, a load of YouTube tips. So basically, we also I added a shout out command. Haven't tested it yet. If you want to test it, Lucas, go ahead. Shout out everything Apple Pro. Why? And then you could just delete that message. Invalid. Anyway, yeah. So I was on the call with the Jump Processor earlier this week, and he made me realize that jailbreaking is one of the main things on my channel. I do a lot of jailbreak videos, and he actually helped me realize that jailbreaking isn't going to be here forever. But actually, I have a whole argument on that, but he does have a point, because what if jailbreaking isn't searched for anymore? I need something else on my tech channel that will make my channel keep growing. So I want to not only just do jailbreak videos, because I have actually not been doing just jailbreak videos in the past, but the videos I've done that weren't jailbreak related have done absolute trash. So yeah, okay, Paul. Thanks for the advice. Anyway, yeah, I want to make more, like, I want to mix up the content a bit and still do everything tech related, of course. It won't be like, I'll start doing daily vlogs on here. No, I've got another channel for that. But I want to start doing more, like, tech reviews. So I've got a video about my Hackintosh coming soon. I've got a cloud computer, which I need to still review, which I've got a couple of days left on my trial, and I still haven't recorded a video. I have written the script and everything. I just have to record it and shoot the B-roll and everything, and think how I'm going to shoot the B-roll, because I have no clue how to do that. But yeah, I'm not going to do just jailbreak content, guys. A lot of people keep asking me, can you do this jailbreak video? Can you do this other jailbreak video? Can you see this other jailbreak video? And I'm like, no, I don't want to just make jailbreak videos. That is not what I started making jailbreak videos just as an experiment. I didn't even want to do just that. So I'm never going to do just jailbreak videos, guys. I'll be doing more content. I've also got to do a video about this phone, the Blackview A10 it's called. Okay, camera ran out of charge. Okay, so let's see. Was better with a filter on. Okay. Also, yeah, we've read that. What's up, Carl? Obviously for podcasts. Okay. Hello, Carl. What's up? Oh, well, come on. There we go. Did you see my comment on yesterday's live stream? Which one? Comment. I don't know if I've replied to all the comments I've gotten, because I've gotten a ton of comments in the last 24 hours. Even on my old jailbreak videos now that there's a new jailbreak, people keep commenting on there. They're like, oh, this doesn't work on 11.3.1. I'm like, have you even read the title? It says 11. I say stop making jailbreak videos. You'll grow normally. I mean, I don't want to stop doing them because they still do get views and stuff. I think I'm not going to do as many as I used to, though. So I may do like one jailbreak video every couple of weeks, and stuff like that. Because jailbreak videos are the ones that get me views and get me more. I don't know. I don't know if it's no. Probably it'll just screw up the algorithm if I just do jailbreak. No, I want to do both. I'm gonna do both. So, but not as many jailbreak videos as I did when the last jailbreak came out. Alright, the night bot is working. Good. Making old phones as useful as possible. What? Where did that come from? Save money on tech. Okay. Yeah, because I mean, if I stop making jailbreak videos, then my channel, it will grow, but it won't grow as fast as it is now. I gain subscribers, views, likes, comments. The YouTube algorithm, I think, will actually favor my channel more because I've got more of a subscriber base. But jailbreaking is still tech, so my videos, even though they're not jailbreak related, they may show up in jailbreak tech YouTubers stuff. So, like, for example, Everything Apple Pro, he still does jailbreak videos, but he doesn't do them as much as he used to years ago. I remember he used to post jailbreak videos pretty much every video was a jailbreak video, but then he kind of switched from that and started doing more reviews on different phones and that kind of stuff. So, I mean, it's not like I would just want to do jailbreak videos and then repair videos and that kind of stuff. No, I just want to experiment, because right now I'm at a stage where I can experiment. I can afford to experiment. I could do whatever I want with this channel. I can also turn it into a, I don't know, a makeup channel if I want. Probably not. No, that's never gonna work. But yeah, I could do anything I want with the channel. It's small. It's growing. Anyway, we hit 4,000 subscribers yesterday. We're on, what subscribers are we on now? Hello, Viper. We are on 4,000. Oh wait, if I turn off airplane mode, maybe it'll load. Yeah, we almost gained 100 subscribers in the last 24 hours. Don't know how that's happened, but yeah, we're on 4,084. The last video I uploaded actually has 8,560 views. That's mental. Okay. So, suggestions. Not everyone is rich as and can buy new phones. Yeah, I mean, I also want to keep that series going. This phone is still worth it in 2018? I disagree on John Prosser's opinion about it, because he was like, people aren't going to go back and see those kind of videos. They're going to go and see an old review, but people still want to see, like, is it worth it in this year? So I'm still going to do those, but I'm probably not going to put as much work in them as I did with the last one, because the last one, it took me a week to make, literally. I went through, in between, like, script, recording audio, editing audio, recording video, recording B-roll, that, it took me all, like, a week. So it was hard. It was hard to do. Subscribe to test. Okay. Lucas is testing the, yeah. Okay, I talked to Apple support yesterday. I asked them, can I bring an iCloud locked iPhone into the store to get it unlocked? And said, yes, I will be able to confirm Apple Store. Yeah, but isn't your Apple Store quite far away, Carl? I remember you telling me you're not really close to one. Anyway, if it's locked on your iCloud though, Carl, your iPod. So you just need to say forgot password or forgot email, and you'll be able to sort it out. It should be connected to your phone number. Everything Apple Pro is so popular, he's still doing jailbreak videos. I mean, yeah, he's really, really popular at the moment, and jailbreak videos did help him grow. But still, if he doesn't make a jailbreak video, he still gets like a couple million views sometimes, which means that people subscribe to his content because they're interested in tech, not just jailbreaking. I can mail it into them. Oh, right. Yeah, you can. What? Re-jailbreak my device. Cool. What? Wait. Oh, yeah, because you told me the other day that it didn't work. How did you re-jailbreak it? Was you doing a review on the iPhone 6 Plus or the SE or the 7 review video, you Paul and video card thing? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I asked, like, what you guys wanted to see in the next video. Why are my frames dropping? Oh, no. Why does it not drop frames when I play Fortnite in Epic, but it does here? It's weird. I didn't even know. Okay, thanks, Lucas. We're gonna keep the shoutouts actually for super chats, Lucas, if you don't mind. So if somebody super chats, you just say shout out to this guy. Also, I don't think you really need to remove the messages because then people will suspect like what the flip is this. I think John is being a snob, and I think lots of people want tips on saving money on old phones and old tech. Yeah, I mean, I love John Prosser. He's an awesome guy. I can also consider him a friend because I've talked to him a couple times, and we sometimes do chat on Twitter about a couple of things. He's a great guy. I don't know if you're watching this, John. You're a great guy, but still I don't agree with everything he says. Same with Taylor Swift Tech. Taylor Swift Tech, I love watching his videos and everything. Guys, what's going on with the stream? Oh, okay, it's back. Okay, good. Stay there. Anyway, yeah. Same with Taylor Swift Tech. I agree with a lot of the stuff he says, but I don't agree with him on jailbreaking. I don't agree with him on Hackintoshes, because he's anti-Hackintosh, he's anti-jailbreaking. In fact, the other day he also made a comment. He was like, I don't think anybody would care if all jailbreak videos were removed from YouTube. Like, that affects me, because that means if I got a copyright strike, I've already got one on a hack video that I made about PUBG hack. It would be kind of sad if they did that, because there's been this whole thing with like beta profiles and everything. So hello, John. I don't know what you just said there, but hello. Also, not so many people are interested in jailbreak these days as before. Exactly. Yeah. The jailbreak community is dying. It is getting, every day there's less and less people that are jailbreaking. That is why I don't want to just base my channel on jailbreak videos. I want to also do more videos on the different phones that come out. And I mean, I would like to one day be able to buy the latest phones and just review them. Right now, the only phone that I've actually bought that's not an iPhone is this one, and I bought it to make a video like 2 months ago, and I haven't made that video. But yeah, I'm gonna work on a video on this because this is a pretty good Android phone. It's 50. I paid it £50, 50 British pounds. It is not bad. I mean, it is a terrible phone, but it's not bad for the price. So it's got a fingerprint sensor. It has a camera, 2 cameras. It's got a speaker, of course it does. Micro USB. It's a pretty good phone. It also runs Android 7, so it's not the latest, but it runs Android 7, which is pretty good. Despite good reasons for jailbreaking, I am not a fan of jailbreak, but there's... Why did you remove that message? Did you fix the Snapchat login thing you want? If so, what happened? No, I haven't fixed it yet. I still haven't looked for that. Watch Zone of Tech's third newest video, please. Wait, the one where he got the copyright strike, because I heard he got a copyright strike. I just heard the story. I didn't watch the video. I just heard from a couple of people. You must provide the payment method, store location, or receipt web order number. And you have all that. Hello, Mr. Batman. We have Batman. I think nicking developer betas is worse than jailbreaking. Jailbreak doesn't cost them anything. True. Yeah, I mean, I'm one of those people that makes videos about that kind of stuff. In fact, I'm actually really considering to delete those videos that I made, just in case, because I don't want to get a second copyright strike. I've already got one from PUBG, and I don't know how to actually dispute that, because they said, you used our game in your video, so then it's copyrighted. Hello, Matteo. Croatia versus France. I think France is going to win. I think France has got the World Cup in the bag already. Despite good reasons for jailbreaking, I'm a fan of jailbreak. Oh, okay, you're a fan. There are still big bad ones too. Battery issues, problems with new iOS features. I removed that message because I did mistakes. Okay. He's going to send me the receipt through PayPal. Okay, that's fine, Carl. But yeah, I mean, there are good and bad things about jailbreaking. I mean, jailbreaking is kind of something that you do if you don't really like stock iOS. I'm one of the people that is fine with stock iOS. I don't really mind. I mean, customizing my device is awesome. I can do whatever I want. With the OS, I've customized my iPhone 10 completely. I'm trying to sort this out. But yeah, there's a lot of problems with jailbreaking. You get crashes, you get reboots, you get random resprings, you get... I mean, as much as jailbreaking is cool, it's not necessary, and also it's not really... It's not that practical either. Because people, they use their phones, they go onto the different apps. It doesn't really matter how it looks like. People like Android, people like iOS, that kind of stuff. But, I mean, I don't really think jailbreaking is ever going to die. The reason why I don't think it's going to die, of course the communities may die, but I don't think jailbreaking itself will die. Because Apple... if you guys have seen the last past versions of iOS, we've seen iOS 10, iOS 11, iOS 12, and versions before that, have all copied at least one thing from jailbreaking. For example, this year, I also tweeted about this, this year Apple has actually copied grouped notifications from jailbreak, the battery health thing, they've copied from the jailbreak, and the list goes on and on. Whoa, the sun looks weird. Anyway, yeah. They have copied a lot of things from the jailbreak community, and I think if it weren't for the jailbreak community, iOS wouldn't have the features it has today. It would probably have way less features. Android will probably start surpassing it, because the jailbreak manages to with the jailbreak you manage to get features that are on Android and put them on iOS, and you could also add whatever other features you want. So I personally think Apple leaves exploits in the software on purpose, so then people can make a jailbreak and actually start making tweaks for it, and then Apple can take those tweaks and implement them in iOS. So it's a little bit easier for them. They just, I think, grab the code, just tweak it a bit, add their touches to it, and then put it back into iOS. I don't know if jailbreak will die one day. It could not. I mean, we'll just have to wait and see, I guess. What did you use to make your awesome merchandise that everyone should buy? Actually, Lucas, if you're still on here, do you want to create a command for merch and put my merch store on there? The merch store is in the description, by the way. If you want. If you don't want to, I'll add that later. Anyway, okay, so yeah, what did I use to make my merchandise? I basically made the merchandise myself. Most of it, the logos, of course, the main logo, BenObi, was made by my YouTube network talent. See, then I added the tech and everything, and then I put it all onto Teespring. So Teespring is the website I use, and I make all the merch on there. So they make the merch and everything. I'm actually wearing the merch right now, so cheeky plug, link in description. Also, There's me on the back, so there you go. Cheeky plug. Merch link in bio. So yeah, everyone should buy the merch. It's good. Show that you're a BenObi, you're part of the BenObi squad. I have no idea what you said in Arabic there. I don't speak Arabic. Ben, what are your favorite tweaks? Great question. One of my favorite tweaks is Lock Plus Pro. That's what I've got on the lock screen here. I love battery percent X. That's another awesome tweak that I've got. Boxy 3, which is what I use to customize my thing here. Zen HTML, which I use to add widgets on the home screen. Clear dock, which I use to remove the dock. Then there's BioProtect, which you guys don't really need to know because I've featured it in videos. Eclipse 10 is another one. Twitter dark mode is another one. It's really, really good from PackX Repo. It's like a full system-wide dark mode. For no, it's a full awesome dark mode here for the iPhone. It's really cool. Anyway. Okay. I'll do the merch command. I've just made a Discord one. Okay, cool. Do you want it as a command or a timer? Put it on a timer. Put it on a timer. Do like every 5 minutes, it'll go off. The logic board... Okay, wait. Yeah, the logic board maybe doesn't work in both the 5S and the 6S. Maybe that's why they're not turning on. Maybe. Yeah, that could be an issue because I've changed the charging port on the 5S. I also did buy another iPhone 5S the other day, which I didn't tell you guys about. But this needs a new screen because the screen doesn't work well. Half of it doesn't even have touch, so I need to get a new one. Yeah, Apple get a lot of ideas from jailbreak. I might buy the merchandise. Buy it. That's what I'm going to say. Buy it. Because some of the money actually goes to me, which will go ahead and support the channel, which will give you guys more content to watch. So, that's one of the reasons I've got it. How much is Zen HTML? It's free. Zen HTML is free. Actually, it's coming in one of the next videos. I've got it. I've got the links and everything. So, you have any cases for the iPhone 7? Yes, I do. I have 3 or 4, which I actually am giving away. I do have a giveaway on the channel, which I haven't put in the description. So, I've got to actually put that. I don't know if we can do that as a command. Bro, I DM you on Instagram for the wallpaper and you never reply. Oh yeah, sorry, I don't check my Instagram DMs that much. And also when I do, I don't really go into the requested ones. Actually I need to go back in here. I'll send them after this stream if I remember. That wasn't good. Screw fell out of this. Stay in there, please, Mr. Screw. YouTuber, buy the merch. I will find you a new killer. I won't kill you if you don't buy merch. I understand if you don't buy merch. What happened to that tweak that's similar to Boxy 3? I think you did a payment from a previous video of yours, but yeah, in a minute you can use. You don't. Why don't you use that anymore and use Boxy instead? I mean, Reform X, I would get it if it didn't cost as much as it does, because you need to support the developer on Patreon every month. And I asked him to give me free access. He gave me just a discount. I'm like, no, I want actual free access to this. And I also paid more than... He never refunded some of the money that I... Because there was a month where my Patreon wouldn't go through. So I actually sent him the payment, and then he re-enabled my account, and my Patreon went through the next month, and it charged me for 2 months. So then I didn't actually get my money back. So that's one of the reasons why I'm not going to use Reform X, because it was a bit dishonest, to be honest. Anyway, I need the iPhone 7 case. Why do you need an iPhone 7 case, Carl? Just buy one off Amazon. It's going to be way cheaper than me shipping it to you. How much is the merchandise? I think it's £11 for a t-shirt, and it's £21 for a hoodie. I could give you guys a discount. I can hook you all up with a discount just for this stream. So, if you... I could try to do a discount here. Okay, so while I read the chat, I will... No, I just logged into Facebook. Anyway. And buy it if it's $10 or less, $10 or less. I can't make it less than $10. That's the thing. If I make it less than $10, actually, you can't even do that. So, because it's dual printed, so it's got the back print and the front print and the rear print. So, I can't really do that. But I can give you guys a discount on the merch. So if we go into promotions, we will do. Okay. Anchor will be updated in the next few weeks. Yeah, I mean, I really am looking forward to that. So I will give you guys. I could do free shipping in the US. So, promo ID. We're gonna do BenObi Tech 13. Okay, Friday 13th is the discount code. Expiration date will have expire tomorrow. So, if you guys use this discount code, you will get free shipping. Discount code for merch. Ah, I forgot I'm not on Mac OS. There you go. Oh no, Destroyer, you've been put on the naughty list. There you go. Okay, so you get free shipping. So it's not really a discount on the, because free shipping is $4 usually. It depends. Actually, it depends on the piece of merch you get. But I do have a bunch of merch on my store. So I also have never done a whole video dedicated to merch. I've got iPhone cases, I have hoodies, I have t-shirts, and that's it. Yeah, iPhone cases. And I don't just have BenObi merch. I also have Keep It Lit hoodies and t-shirts, and I have #1 Apple fanboy and #1 Apple fangirl t-shirts and hoodies. I've also got a mug. I don't know why I still have that mug. Do you ship to Lebanon? It's worldwide shipping, so you should be able to get it. I think Lebanon is on the list of countries you can get it from. Get it from. So yeah, use discount code Friday 13th, and you will actually get merch. Discount, free shipping. There we go. If you live in New York, then this discount code will work for you, because I think it's only free shipping to the US. Make a video that's an hour, but that just says but. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna put that on there. #1 fan other. What? Buy my merchandise. Oh, okay. Just make a video that says buy my merch, and just have that go on a loop. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. That's just gonna. People are just gonna get mad and unsubscribe. That's the sad thing, because some people don't get jokes. Okay, so what else did we want to talk about for this stream? I had a few other things I wanted to talk about. Mentos are the best. Okay, so yeah, there was this weird comment I got that I want to rant about. How old am I? I'm 17. Okay, so where are we here? Okay, basically, this guy commented and said, you have 3 people following you, and 5 people can't watch this. I'm not going to repeat the word. Trust me, they can hear you fine without yelling. Now, okay, the reason why I yell in my videos is because I don't want to be boring in the videos. I don't want to be like, hello guys, this is a jailbreak tweak. This is #1 jailbreak tweak. This is notchless. And yeah, this is very cool. Like, I'm not gonna whisper in my videos. I flipping scream because I have energy. I want to show that I have energy on my videos. I don't want to be one of those people that's just like, hey guys, this is Benji, and today we're gonna be No, that is not what I do. Also, Mr. what's his name? Yeah. Also, Faisal, that's the name of this guy. I don't think I have 3 people following me. I have way more than that. I have at least 3,000 subscribers. I mean, I don't know. I think that's my subscriber count. I'm not sure. Maybe that's one person, but who knows? But yeah, I don't get offended by these kind of comments. I just bring them out on Twitter, and I just rant about it. I'm like, or I just complain that people comment this kind of stuff. It's like, if you don't like my content, just don't watch my videos. It's simple as that. If you don't like it, just don't watch it. If you don't like my kind of style of videos. If I scream in the videos, don't ask me to change, because I won't. Because that's my personality. I scream on camera, okay? I bet every other YouTuber on this planet that has decent subscribers screams at the camera. Anyway. New MacBook Pro thoughts. I love them, but I'm not going to buy them because I've got a Hackintosh. But if you are someone who needs a computer and you want a Mac, highly recommend it. Mini Viper. Actually, I should be the big Viper because I was here before Viper. I was on YouTube before Viper. I'll make 4K accounts, so if everyone is subs... I'm thinking about buying the camera you use for $200. It's prototype nice. I'm pretty sure you meant pretty nice. Yeah, I mean, it is alright, the camera I've got. It's not the best one. I would like to have a better camera. I would like to upgrade. In fact, I want to upgrade soon to probably a Canon M50. I was also looking at Panasonic GH5 or something cheaper than that. But hello, Alex. Fortnite on Mac. Actually, I haven't tried that on my Hackintosh yet. I tried playing it on PC. Works completely fine. Thoughts on $200 sleeve case for MacBook or MacBook Pro? Let's not even get started on that. Okay. iPhone 10, $1,000. Okay, fine. It's a phone. I like it. It's awesome. But for a leather sleeve, YouTube is flipping stupid. Like, seriously, who's gonna buy that? Who is gonna buy that? Yell all you want, just 10-year-old trolls. He probably is, honestly. I checked out his channel. He has 0 videos and like 250 subscribers. That makes me wonder, like, what are those 200 subscribers actually people, or are they sub for sub, or are they actually, you know, the virtual bot thing? Lucas, did you have the thing for the merch store as well for every 5 minutes? Who doesn't like your videos? You're actually more helpful than other YouTubers. You actually test the tweaks and price and repo, which is best. You're gonna have 1 million subs and you won't see. I mean, I hope so. Viper can really yell at that HomePod is approved. Oh, actually, I never actually saw that video about the HomePod. I need to go watch that later. Major, why does Apple make everything so overpriced for a Pinnacle $100? What? $200 for a sleeve where you put your MacBook in. Apple. Seriously. Oh, for a pencil, $100. Well, I mean, the Apple Pencil is, $100 is, nah. I mean, they're not really overpriced if you think about it. For example, the iPhone 10 it's not really overpriced. It depends if you find it worth it or not. I find the iPhone 10 worth it. Probably $1,000 is a bit too much. I think this is probably worth $800 to $900. I mean, it works, so it's great. Okay. Ben Panda 20 WND is making a jailbreak detection call. Yeah, I did see that. I didn't know it was going to be called Rolectra though. If you didn't like Apple, what phone would you have and why? Meaning compared to what you ever don't pick of Google. I'd probably pick. That's the second time Google goes off, by the way. Merges every 20 minutes. Discord every 15 minutes and every 5. Yeah, do it a bit shorter. Everyone is 5 minutes. Do everything 5 minutes. Only if you can. Anyway, where were we? So I think this is actually a tough decision because there aren't really a lot of phones that I like that are on the market at the moment. I mean, I don't like the Galaxy because, in my opinion, they have a lazy solution to the notch. I think. Oh god, this is hard. I probably wouldn't pick the OnePlus though. I probably maybe would go with the Pixel, but I mean I would go with Essential, but because the Essential phone is dead, I know I'm gonna go with the Essential phone. Have you ever seen a $1,000 case? Why not just buy an OtterBox or something like that? Yeah, there are $1,000 cases. Like no joke. If you get there's what's the company called? Louis Vuitton. They make super expensive cases. It's honestly like what the flip. How do you use the discount on the merchandise website? When you go into checkout, it should ask you for a discount code if you want. Okay. So you can pay $10 for a sleeve on Amazon. Exactly, but it's Apple. It has the Apple logo on there. This guy told me that Samsung is better than Apple. Apple isn't original. They copied Face ID from them, huh? No, they didn't. Face ID is completely different from Samsung's iris scanning or Samsung's 2D facial recognition. Apple did not copy anybody with Face ID. Yes, they copied the idea, but they made it better. They made it a 3D sensor. Honestly, some people, Samsung is not better than Apple because Apple had courage. They removed the headphone jack. Apple were the first ones to have dual speakers. Apple was courageous enough to have a almost bezel-less display and leave a notch. Apple is better than Samsung in a lot of ways. Timer fixed. Okay, cool. So in I don't know how many minutes we're going to be seeing merch. Okay. Apple, introducing Apple food, introducing Apple hamburger, which is redesigned hamburger for eaters. This will change the way it's not just a normal burger. The Apple logo. Yeah, it probably will cost $100. Price small for. Oh yeah, yeah, probably. How do you discount? Oh yeah, yeah. Timers fixed. I just need something that I can tell him to make him feel stupid. Yeah, just tell him. Iris scanning doesn't work in the dark. Facial recognition can be tricked to the photo and doesn't work with sunglasses. Okay, can you teach me how to create merchandise on Teespring? It's easy, Carl. It's dead easy. All you have to do is have a logo and you just put it on the t-shirt. It's easy. It's easier to do it on the computer, though. Apple copied AR emoji. I mean, yeah, so some people come up with that argument, but they took AR emoji, put their own twist to it, and it looks way better. It doesn't look creepy. I mean, AR emoji is trying to be a human. It's weird. Okay, the Discord server does work. Sweet, so you can join our Discord, chat about things of tech and jailbreak related stuff. Awesome, Lucas, you're great. Honestly, Lucas, you're one of the best. You are the best mod on the planet. I bet Apple would get a piece of paper, slap an Apple logo on it, and sell it for $50. I think the MacBook Pro is super overpriced for what you get. Well, yeah, I mean, Apple computers are expensive. I do agree. But you get something that works. The thing I love about Apple devices, yes, they're overpriced, but they work. They are good. They don't crash as much as like PCs do. It's weird. Like, of course, not everyone can afford a Mac, but people who do are extremely happy with their Macs, no matter how much they paid. I paid for an iPhone X for $1,000, and now I'm broke, and it's literally one of the best things I've ever bought. Also, AirPods. I bought AirPods. They're probably the best investment I've ever done. And, I mean, everything works. They all work. So, that's what I love about Apple. It works. The Apple ecosystem works as well. It's awesome. Maybe he's mad he can't afford luxury. I don't know. Oh yeah, probably. Do you realize the Animoji was first? Yeah, Animoji was first, but Samsung was, yeah. They're not slow, and they're not as complicated to use as Samsung. I mean, Samsung also puts a ton of bloatware on there. Their software is literal trash. It used to be very good, but now it's trash. Samsung should just go ahead and make their own thing. Also, actually, here's another thing I don't like about Samsung. The Bixby button, not remappable. You can't turn it off. Bixby's always there. You accidentally press it. It's like, okay, what's the promo code? Promo code is Friday the 13th. If you scroll up, you'll find it. Here we go. Let's repost this. Quickly, guys, you have 24 hours to use that. Or less than 24 hours. You have like 2 or 3 hours, actually. I watched long ago some gamers running on a Mac. Result worse than PS4, and a $400 PC can do better. Yeah, you do have a point on that. Like, for gaming, PCs are better. I agree. I have had bad experience with gaming on a Mac and great experience with gaming on a PC. No, not really great. Good experience, because I haven't had, like, crash. It's weird, yeah. And you realize when you go to college, all you see is students with MacBooks. You never see them with Windows laptop. Yeah, that's because you actually can get a student discount if you go to college and university. And they usually discount it by quite a lot. You could get like $200 off an iPad or something. Or I could be wrong. I think it's 100. I don't know. But yeah, you get discounts and stuff. Lucas, I don't think the merch is working. I don't agree. Every Mac I have had has lasted more than 10 years. Great value. Exactly. Yeah, that's another thing. Another thing I bring up when I argue with people when they say, "Oh, Android is better. Oh, Windows is better." Okay, Android, you have to wait 25 years for an update because right now Android 8 Oreo isn't even on the Galaxy S7, and then also the software doesn't last as long. So with the iPhone, you've got the iPhone 5S that came out in like 2012. It's still being supported on iOS 12. You go and see the Galaxy S4, I think, or S5, and those don't even have Android 7 on them. It's like, or Android 8 or whatever. What Apple devices last longer in the long run. This is an iPhone 5S. Here, we've got an iPhone 4. This one came out 3 years before this one, and it still works to this day. Right now it's out of battery, but it was very anticlimactic. I've also got an iPhone 5 that I've had since 2012, before the 5S came out, and it still works. So honestly, like, I don't see when people say Android is better. Yes, Android does have its strong suits, but it's not. Is it as worth as Apple? Apple, yes, it's expensive, but the phones, computers, and everything last longer than Android phones, so they will be cheaper in the long run. I'm not joking, because if you buy an Android phone, you'll have to upgrade in 2 years. You buy an iPhone, you could upgrade in 5 years. See what I mean? Discount isn't working. It should give you free shipping. Merch should be in 1 minute. Okay, cool. I was a new purchase today and didn't even realize it was Friday the 13th. No idea what purchase is, but yeah. Well, I'm not mad, but there are computers that are way less that can actually run a simple game. The bad thing is it runs Windows. Yeah, that's the downside. I've had so many issues with Windows. Honestly, too many to count. Nice one. The merch. Or actually, change that to buy the latest merch on planet, the hottest merch on planet Earth. Change it to buy the hottest merch on planet Earth. Support the channel and look fire instead of that. Jailbreak is better than root. Who agrees? Yeah. I've tried rooting this Android phone and it doesn't work. No idea why. Yeah, rooting is terrible. Merch should be 1 minute. Oh, yeah, is it discount just for the free shipping, or is it just an item? It's a free shipping. So you pay the price of the thing and that's it. I always work out the $1 a year. Mac is supreme. Yeah, I mean, I've still got a Mac that works. Say my name. Why do I have to say your name? You have to super chat if you want me to shout you out. So I always work out. Yeah, but I mean, it in the long run it will be cheaper. Macs will be cheaper. I also some Huawei phones, and they're also good. They do regular updates. Yeah, but do they get the latest version of Android every year? That I don't mean like small updates. Small updates a lot of softwares do get, but like. Yes, Huawei phones do get regular updates, but do they get the Android update? Will they get Android P when it comes out? Alex, you have to DM me that again, because last time I forgot. I agree, they do last longer. The MacBook Pro are hard to replace parts, which is annoying if you need something. Yeah, I mean, MacBook parts are expensive and hard to find when repairing it, but I mean, they don't. I've only had my one issue with my MacBook Pro, and that was the screen. The screen broke. That's the only issue I've had, and I've had it since 2014. So that if that doesn't tell you something, if you buy an iMac, it's gonna last even longer, because it's always on a desk. So. Okay, I don't think I'll be buying the merchandise. So sorry. Please don't buy. No, if you can't afford it, don't buy the merch. It's just if you want to support me and you have enough money, you can. Eat something. Why do I have to eat something? I've also just eaten. I always eat before live streams. We still haven't gotten a super chat in this stream. So we haven't gotten the cool new animation. Aw. I'm with you. iPhone is better, but for some people they don't have budgets, so they need to stick with these phones. I think Apple should go low budget phone. Okay, so actually, you're wrong on that. Because Apple does sell budget phones. They sell the iPhone SE that costs $350. If that isn't budget, I don't know what is. $50 is not a good thing to Oh no, it's that guy. Oh, you were the guy who asked me to give you a shout out last time, didn't you? But Apple are releasing a lower budget iPhone, so it's not gonna be like really a budget iPhone. It's the LCD, the iPhone 9, the LCD iPhone. I should have done it on here. I was eating with my family. Okay, it's fine. So yeah, they are releasing a new phone this year, and it's gonna be $700 around that. And it's like, it is going to be cheaper. So, I don't know why people complain. Why do we have 0 watching now when there actually are people? I wish YouTube streams did not have a delay. It really sucks. Why, is there really a delay on here? How bad is the delay? It says 0 people for me. Yeah, there is a little bit of a delay on the stream, I think. I apologize. That is my live streaming encoder. That is not my fault. So, I don't even think I can change it. Anyway, whoa, so many comments. Okay. Yeah, but these are occasionally. They don't, like, do it every year like the iPhone. True. Yeah. I mean, yeah, like, yeah, there are occasionally Apple does release phones that are cheaper. But you can still get an iPhone that's like 2 years old, and it will still be good in 2018. So, okay, the iPod Touch is a budget phone, right? It's not even a phone. It's not even a budget. Don't even consider getting an iPod Touch, because that's gonna die next year. So, don't even think about buying the iPod Touch. That's not a phone, and it's not really for the price. It's not really good. It's not worth it. Like, you can't put a SIM card in there or anything like that. Shoot me, bro. What do you mean shoot you? Legend Salim. Apple has a budget phone, the SE, down to $400 now. Yeah, here in the UK it's £350. Ooh, we got the Mac sound. Thanks for the super chat, Alex. You, Lucas, and Zach are always the most generous on the channel. Okay, wait. Where are we? Are you happy if you buy the newest Mac? Yeah, I would be really happy if I could afford the latest Mac. It probably wouldn't replace my Hackintosh unless it's faster. I can't afford it, but I don't know if my parents will buy it for me because I'm too young to have a credit card. Oh yeah, fair point. My name, bro, shoot me. No, I won't give you a shout out. I won't give you a shout out unless you super chat. That's the only way I'm gonna give you a shout out on the stream. I'm gonna say, shout out to this guy. You could go subscribe to him. Then I'll do it. Is there a way to put an automatic shout out? I don't think a new budget phone will be better than an older model of the same price. But still, if you get an iPhone 7, it's going to be faster than a lot of budget phones. Unless, of course, we look at the OnePlus. Yeah, let's not even talk about... Well, even the iPhone 7, if you buy it now, you can find a good deal for it, and it's like £200. Also, I don't know what... When people say iPhones are expensive, if you get a contract, it won't be as expensive, you know. Nightbot 1, bad 0, guys. Stop spamming caps. Warning. Wait, who wrote something in caps? Oh. Who removed that message? Anyway. I have iPhone 6s and it is better than Android. Yes, it's better than most Android phones. Shout out to Alex for the super chat. Yes. If you want a super cheap phone, get the 5C. Do not suggest that those kind of try. No. If you want to get a budget phone, get at least a 5S. At least a 5S. You don't want to get iOS 10. The 5S is still going to be good for the next year. I made a whole video on the iPhone 5S and if it's still worth it in 2018, which you guys should definitely check out if you're thinking of getting the 5S. I mean, if you're happy, if I buy the newest MacBook. Okay, yeah. If you buy the newest MacBook, that's cool. Shout me out, bro. No, I won't shout you out. If you keep spamming, you will actually get banned from the bot. No, I've looked. You can't get an auto shout out when they super chat. Well, that sucks. Well, you do get a super chat on the. You do get a shout out on the screen as well. iPhone SE and 5S and 7, it's faster. Well, I don't know what you mean by that. I got a contract with T-Mobile. I got my iPhone SE 32 gigabytes or 64 gigabytes, I think. Got for $300 T-Mobile with a number. I mean, oh yeah, $300. Actually, that's not bad. That is not bad. I have a 6S, but now it's dying. Since I changed the screen, I started noticing bright spots and phone heating and battery draining fast. My parents are going to buy me an iPhone 8 Plus soon, though. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, the 8 Plus is a solid phone. Hottest merch on the planet. I mean, actually, I can change that. Whoa. Okay, you shout outs me by Android ACP. Oh, come on, Mousy. The top chatter is Lucas. Ooh, that's nice. Shout out. Cool. Okay, timers. Merch timer. Okay, here we go. So, you have jailbreak? Yes, I do. I have 2 jailbroken devices. I've got iPhone 10 jailbroken, and also got an iPhone 6 Plus jailbroken, which is dead now. I need to charge it, and also I need to sort out the jailbreak because there's an error with Cydia. So, now I'm not gonna say your name. You donate, I will give you a shout out. No, Carl, you're not getting a free shout out either. Should I super chat since I can't get the merchandise? If you want, I mean, you can give me $1. You can super chat $1 or $2. And SC costs $4 on a contract here. Can't ask for any cheap. $4 on a contract. That is crazy. Holy cow. That is great. That is a great deal. See? Our iPhone's expensive. Not really. Do you think I should jailbreak my 8 Plus? Like, every time I tell my friends, do you want to install Cydia, they start freaking out and say, see, it will make their phone buggy. Well, it will make their phone buggy in a way, but, yeah, I do recommend jailbreaking. If not, update to iOS 12, because that's the best software on the iPhone at the moment. Bro, how old are you? I'm 17. Why do you guys keep asking me, though? I did put frequently asked questions in the description, but people kept asking me still. I have iPad 3 jailbroken and my iPod 6 jailbroken. Not sure about my 5S. What do you mean not sure about your 5S? You don't know if your 5S is jailbroken or not. Anyway, I think there were a couple more things I wanted to cover in the stream. How cool is that? Oh. You're 17 too? Cool. I haven't used my iPod Touch 6th generation at all. Alright. Okay. I mean, if you jailbroke it, you probably would have been using it more, but... I would sell it. If you're not using it and you don't want it, you could just sell it. Sure, 99 cents is fine. Even, I think you can also donate 50 cents. Or maybe no, the minimum I think is $1. If you can donate, fine. If you can't, I understand. Okay, so I think we're going to stream for another 5 minutes. No, not 5 minutes. Another half an hour. Hello, S-Tweaks. I haven't seen you around in a while. What I mean is, I'm not sure if I should jailbreak my 5S. I would jailbreak it. You could do a lot of stuff with jailbreaking. Thanks for the super chat, Lucas. Always generous. That is awesome. What is your reaction about CR7 quitting Real Madrid to Juventus since you're a football fan? Actually, I'm not only a football fan, but a Juventus fan. So I'm over the moon, honestly. It's awesome. I really, really like Ronaldo going to... I think it's great because Ronaldo wants a new change. He's won in England. He's won in Spain. Now he's got a chance to win in Italy. And I think he's going to be a very, very good... he's going to be a really, really good addition to the Juventus team. Because I'm half English, half Italian. I do support a team in England and a team in Italy. But I do support Juventus. If I had to pick one team, I'd pick Juventus. I love Juventus. Sorry, I've not been watching recently. It's fine, S-Tweaks. Okay, so I want it though. Okay, if you want it, then fine. Remember, we can be friends or nah. I don't even know you, so probably nah. Do you think anyone should buy iPod 5th gen 32 gigabytes if it was previously jailbroken? Even when I reset it, it still has the Cydia icon. Have you tried reinstalling the software? And have you tried to use Cydia Eraser? Because that's something you could use. It's a little cracked, but it's not noticeable. I need to get a new screen protector for it. Okay, you're cool. I mean, if you want to keep it, keep it. Did you also hear that Pogba might go back? Yeah, I did hear that actually. That'd be just sick. Juventus is gonna become the next Real Madrid, to be honest. Why do you hate me now? S-Weeks, could you jailbreak it with Electra? Oh yeah, what do you mean 11.4 beta? 11 beta 4? Wait, iOS 11 beta 4? Huh? I've got 11.4 beta 4 on my device. No, beta 3. Beta, not beta 4. The bot is working. I love the bot. Can I maybe film videos on it? Well, I mean, you should use the best camera you've got. So I think the best phone you have right now to make videos with is your iPhone SE. So I would use your iPhone SE and shoot in 4K, just to future-proof yourself. I don't know why, but I feel guilty when I asks me if I want to buy the super chat, so I don't want to. Sorry. Don't worry about it. It's fine. iOS 11.4 beta 4. Yeah, you can't use beta 4. You need to use beta 3. Yeah. Okay, beta 3. Then I subscribe to you. Thanks for subscribing. Yeah, beta 3. Did I use the APFS version? That worked for me. So I think it might be the same with you. Just try the APFS version, and what I found works is just after your phone is rebooted, if it crashes in Cydia, in Electra, then just wait a few minutes and then re-jailbreak again. But turn on airplane mode, and you may also have to turn off Siri. I'm going to buy the iPhone 6 Plus 64GB for $75. It needs a new screen. The screen has held it for me. Okay, cool. You're welcome, bro. I hate you. Okay, I hate you too. Does it work for iPhone 7? You can't downgrade, but yes, you can jailbreak. Wait, so you can actually jailbreak? Can you link it, please? Just go to ignition.fun. So, ignition.fun. You could actually get... Just pick the recommended for 11.4 version. Alex, do you like GTA? Mods, I think, is a bot. Is he a bot? I don't know if he's a... I don't think he's a bot. No, because he's got liked videos and everything on his channel. And his account was created in 2016. What makes you think he's a thing? Okay, later, Destroyer. Thanks for being on the stream. No, you can't downgrade at all. Oh yeah, because it's not being signed anymore. That's why. Change its screen. I'm going to fix my iPhone. Okay, cool. Lol. Okay, or not. For what? Nah, for your shout out. Yeah, if you keep spamming your name by the hottest merch on the planet, support the channel and look fire. Hmm? Not even when it was there was an error saying it's not compatible. Oh yeah, because it didn't work. Do you play PUBG Mobile? I do, but I don't play as much as I do Fortnite PC. I'm also considering to get a PUBG PC version. Okay, so I quickly want to see if my AdSense is updated, because I really want to get my Apple Watch, and hopefully the AdSense money from last month will be available now, and I'll be able to get my Apple Watch. No, never mind. Keep checking every day. 2 more days. Hey, how are you? And I hate you. I have a feeling you're a bot. Yeah, battery percent X does look lit. I know. Did you get a new PC? Actually, yeah, I did. I built my own custom PC, and it's basically a Hackintosh. So it's both. Oh no! Come on. Who timed him out? Nightbot has to stop doing this. I'm sorry, S-Tweaks. You got timed out for 5 seconds. Oh, okay, that's fine. What are my PC specs? Okay, so the PC specs, I'll actually bring them up right now on my phone. It's basically a Hackintosh. So I've dual booted macOS and Windows on it. So Windows mainly for live streaming and gaming. So I've got an 8th gen 4.3 gigahertz Intel Core i5 86000. I've got a Gigabyte 600 SATA 600 ATX motherboard with an Asus GTX 1060 6GB GPU, 60 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM to 2400 gigahertz, half a terabyte SSD for Windows, another half a terabyte SSD for macOS, along with a 1 terabyte hard drive for macOS, and I've also got a Corsair 550 watt power supply. That was a mouthful. And I'm also making a video about it very soon, so you join PUBG. Cool. You should stream more Fortnite more? Yeah, I do want to stream more Fortnite. It's just that sometimes I don't want to, but I might stream some a little bit later, though. Or tomorrow. It's just that usually I do stream, but I stream early on in the day. I am not a bot. Okay. Is it a bot, but he is being... Yeah. Exactly. I don't know why. I'm gonna just put him in a timeout for... Sorry, Mohammed. Sorry. Okay. I was playing Fortnite 24/24 on my PS4, but I felt I am making sad because I wouldn't win a solo when like I did 90 solo wins and I couldn't win my 20th. I haven't even won one game, not even a team game. I came in second and third a couple times, and I usually finish in the top 10 on a good day. I'm turning the Nightbot filters off, some of them. Okay, cool. Yeah, because it's just banning people randomly. Nice. Yeah, it's a really nice PC. It's in a cool case that has 3 LED fans on the front, which are really cool. I still haven't figured out how to change the color of them though. I think you have to buy like an LED controller or something, which is another bunch of money, but will only block repeated comments now. Okay, cool. This is the 3rd time or 4th time in the stream that happens. I found deals for 2 iPhone 5Cs, 16GB blue for $60. Oh wow, that's not bad. I think the Nightbot is spamming now. I'm just kidding. I think I'm going to save up for Hackintosh. Yeah, I mean, Hackintoshes aren't even that expensive to make. You can build them for like $200-300 sometimes, or even $400. The one I've built was around $1,000. I still need to count everything up and see how much it was in total, because I also did get a GPU afterwards, and around $1,000, which isn't bad. This program on your computer should be just search it up. Wait, what? What is a program on my computer? I think I'm going to say... Yeah, I've read that. Apparently there's just 2 people on the stream for some reason. Yeah, S-Tweaks, I have no idea what you're saying about what program on computer you should just search it up. Okay, so... By the way, guys, this is my jailbreak setup right now. That's the home screen. I think I'm going to start linking wallpapers in the description from now on. To change the fan RGB. Yeah, no, it's not softer because I think... Actually, I'm not sure. I'll have to look into it. Apparently you could do it from the BIOS settings, but I didn't manage to do that. Which is weird. Some comments are just so weird. Okay. So, I think now that the stream is dying down a bit, I think now it's a good time to end it, or end it in a couple minutes. So, I think I might go and stream some Fortnite actually tonight. Actually, yeah, I've started a BenObi gaming channel, and oh no, I've got to go all the way to macOS to retrieve the logo. Actually, no, I could save it from Twitter until I change it. Okay, do you think you will ever do something like VidCon or something like that? I really wanted to go to VidCon this year, but I didn't manage to go in the end. I'm thinking of going to somewhere in the city this year, which is another YouTube event that's here in the UK. I'm not sure I'll be able to go to any events next year, though. So, because I've got something coming up for next year and the year after that, which I will actually reveal later on this year. It's kind of sad news, but still good news. No, I'm not quitting YouTube, by the way, forever, no. How to get enough money to get a Hackintosh. Become a YouTuber, get kicked out of Walmart, collect the clickbaited money. Yeah, true. That's a good idea. And I'm going to leave to play some Fortnite, but before I go, who thinks going to win the World Cup and the match for 3rd place? I think England is going to win 3rd place because it's coming home. The bronze is coming home, and France is going to win the World Cup. Of course, the prices are so high. It's the World Cup. See you on Viper. See you later, Mighty Mouse. I may actually go on Viper later. I'm not sure though, because I may be live streaming. You're moving country. I'm also doing that. That's a completely different story though. I did reveal it a while ago that I was moving country, but I'm not gonna say that much. Football's coming home. Was kinda too right. Okay, see you later, S-Tweaks. I think I'm going to head out now as well. And I'm going to actually stream some Fortnite. England is going to win the World Cup. I'm still here. You're still here. Okay, cool. Like, I think I'm going to go into Streamlabs quickly. Actually, I need to get the link to... Have you ever been to USA? Yes! Many times. It's one of my favorite countries. I love the USA. Love the food there. You could eat very healthy there. And it's nice. Okay. Let's go. BenObi Gaming. We're going to Twitter here. And we're gonna download. By the way, guys, I did run a poll on Twitter about what color the logo for BenObi Gaming should be. And most of you actually voted for red. But I'm kind of skeptical on putting red because, mainly because I've already got a red channel, and also I'd be copying Taylors of Tech. So I think I'm gonna do it green. So let's save that. I'm also gonna save red just in case. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna go ahead here and change the photo over here. I'm actually gonna link the channel in the. Okay, guys, you can go and subscribe to BenObi Gaming. Nice, I live there. Yeah, I mean, the US is big, so a lot of people who watch my videos actually live in the US. Can you do a live stream when repairing iPhones? Why? Everything always goes wrong when I live stream. Okay, let's change photo, edit icon. No. Why? Okay, brand account. Upload. There we go. I'm the first subscriber on your gaming channel. Awesome! Awesome, Logic. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly go to restream, and I'm actually gonna YouTube stream now. I'm gonna change edit settings, delete channel. Add channel, YouTube stream now. Connect YouTube stream now. Here we go, BenObi Gaming. Oh wait. Okay, it seems to be working. Why didn't it add the channel? Here we go. We have now connected. So gaming, Fortnite. There we go. Okay, so ready. I think I'm gonna switch to this channel now and live stream some cool stuff. Your second subscriber on my gaming channel. Cool. So I'm not gonna promote it that much as of yet, but it is an extra channel. Okay, if we go on to video manager, just saying you won't be able to monetize that channel, which sucks for you. No, it doesn't really suck because I just play games for the fun of it. I don't really even want to make any money from here. But I'm of course going to monetize it when it is monetization enabled. Basically, on my gaming channel, I'm not actually gonna like upload edited videos. I'm just gonna upload I'm only gonna upload, just do live streams. That's what I'm gonna be doing on there. That's just gonna be a live stream channel. So I'm gonna do live stream live now. That's all I'm going to be doing on there. So I'm just going to be live streaming games, just having fun. Your fourth subscriber? Cool. Who wants to be a Mormonaire? Hello, Kia. Okay, so gaming channel. For people who want to subscribe, let me post it again here. So subscribe to BenObi Gaming. You're basically ripping Taylosov off. No, because the logo's green. I'm not ripping Taylosov off, by the way. I had the idea of a multi-channel network before I found out about him, kind of. No, not really. That's a lie. I mean, I like what Taylosov is doing. I also spoke to him, and he was like, yeah, I like what you're doing with your channels because it's very similar to mine. It's like, oh, come on. Okay, we've got one subscriber that actually is on here. I'm gonna actually have to add featured channels here. We already have 5 subscribers. Let's try to get to 100, guys. If we get to 100, I'll actually be able to get a custom URL, which is a must have. Like, is this? It is. Okay, add featured channels. We're gonna add channels here. So my so youtube.com/BenObi. Okay. You already told me. You already told me it looks fire when charging. Photoshop is coming to the iPad Pro. I heard! That is gonna be lit. I cannot wait. Because that actually means we may be seeing more of that. Like more... more Pro apps coming to the iPad. So I'm hoping for Final Cut Pro to come one day. And other stuff like that. So apparently the whole Adobe suite is coming to the iPad, which is dope. Okay, it's got its 6th subscriber. We've got 5 subscribers on the gaming channel right now, which is dope. I'm gonna quickly customize the thing here. There's a channel that's missing from here. Oh yeah, the 5th one. BenObi Gaming. Oh wow. If you search for BenObi Gaming, there's a ton of videos that already come up that are mine. Has anyone used Melior? Is it good? I used a similar tweak to that, but to be honest, I prefer oh no. No, please go back. Refresh chat. I mean, for that jailbreak tweak, I recommend getting something that's not that, because that takes up a lot of space. I have tried a similar tweak and it wasn't that good. Okay, BenObi Gaming is gonna be the 3rd channel on this list. No, wait, I'm gonna move BenObi Lego before Productions. Oh no, not like that. I did not want to do that. There we go. Boom! The BenObi Network has a 6th channel. Maybe Final Cut Pro. Yeah, maybe Final Cut Pro. That'd be sick. More macOS on iPad. Don't know about iOS on Mac. Yeah, I mean, that is kind of a weird thing. A lot of people have complained about that, honestly. And I don't really get why. Why is iCrack Your iDevice in my recommended? My related channels. DJ Feels on there, that's fine. Same with Everything Apple Pro and iDevice Help. And also iTweaks. iReviews, I haven't really watched that much content from them, but... Anyway, I'm gonna head out now, guys, and I'm actually gonna probably go stream on the new gaming channel, which has 7 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, those people who have. If you haven't caught the link, there it is. You could go ahead, subscribe. I'll be streaming some Fortnite in a couple of minutes, so... Nah, Sona's better. What does Airify do? Wait, is it another volume HUD? Okay. No. Alex, I'm going on the gaming channel, by the way. Oh, wait, no, I need the I need description. I just forgot. I need a description for this. So we're gonna go and steal the description off my tech channel here. Because then I'll be like, subscribe to my channel down below, and people are gonna be like, where's the channel? And I'm gonna be like, oh. 9,000 views almost. That is mental. Anyway, okay. I upload videos every Wednesday or Friday, blah 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 blah. Why does everyone hate I Crack Your Device? Because he sold his channel for a few years. It's like he disappeared without telling anyone anything. It's kind of sad. I need to change the main channel to BenObi. What do you guys think? Okay, here we go. Description is done. No, it's not. No! Please. Why does it keep playing the same exact music? Watching you do all this YouTube makes me want to start a tech channel. It's fun. I love doing YouTube. I mean, YouTube is awesome. I think I'm gonna change the Twitch to BenObi Gaming. So let's go into Twitch. No, not Twitter. Okay. Because he thinks he's all that when he isn't. No, he did not. He did not sell his channel. That was his brother. Also, he had stuff to do. It wasn't his brother. I'm pretty sure it wasn't his brother. Or maybe it was. I don't know. Go away, bug. Well, I like his tweak vids. They're alright. I think in the last video I watched, the lip syncing was terrible. Honestly, you heard a sound of when he put the phone to the side, and then you heard the audio like 5 seconds later. And he puts ads in his links, and he shares fake infos. Yes, exactly. He puts ads in his links. I don't do that. If I do shorten my links, I use the Google link shortener, and that's ad free. I mean, yes, he is back, but like at a stage of progressing, like everything else, probably destroyed his channel with his own feet. I mean, he said he went to do more stuff. It's like, and now he claims he's partnering with someone else while it is still him with audio editor. Wait, what do you mean? I don't think it is him. Plus, he just copies what Coolstar says and doesn't really help anyone. All he does is put links on a website so he can get more views. He doesn't include it in the C, which is dumb. So dumb. Though. Yeah, I mean, he just says like, "Oh, this is what Coolstar said. This is the end of the video. Catch you guys later." It's like when I do jailbreak update videos, I don't do it that much because people already know if they go on Twitter what's gonna happen with the jailbreak and that kind of stuff. But like, honestly, I give my opinions about the jailbreak, and I say I think this is gonna be real. I think it's gonna happen, and blah 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 blah. But what he does is like, I don't like his channel. I don't know why. I just don't. BenObi Gaming. Update. Anyway, let's go back onto the chat here. La 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 la. And puts that in. Yep. Do you have iTunes installed to use City Impactor? I do have iTunes installed on my PC, but I didn't use City Impactor for my Cydia, no. New username. BenObi Gaming. And then it says taken. No, good. Enter your password. I think this is the password. I'm not sure if this is the password. Please be the password. Yes! It's the password. Cool. Because if not, I didn't know. Does anyone know any good iPhone 10 only tweaks? Not by Spark Dev. Actually, that's a great question. I'm gonna give you guys a sneak preview because you're here live. You're watching this live. It's fine. Probably another 10,000 people will go watch the video. So, Ba 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 ba. You guys are getting exclusive content here. Okay, top 10 iPhone 10 tweaks. I need to change this to iPhone 10. There we go. So, Barmoji, BioProtect, and Eclipse X are the only ones that are not from Spark that are on my list. Okay. So, iTunes, subscribe to my podcast. Email. Okay, yeah. Cool. Okay. Yep, description is done. Nope. I do. There we go. So, I also restored 5 times with Future Restore due to Cydia errors and my jailbreak being bad. Question: have you ever used Future Restore to restore to Einstein for firmwares as blobs? No, I haven't, but I'm too having issues with Cydia right now. On this 6 Plus, which I said before was dead, it's still dead. I don't know. I've never used that, and I'm not really sure how to use blobs. So I've saved them though. That's something. I hate it when YouTubers say every week that a jailbreak dev has tweeted, which means the jailbreak might come soon. Okay, good. No one cares. Also, they always clickbait, so you think it's been realized. Yeah, I mean, I've done that once. And I'm not really proud of it. People hated me on it, because I said the jailbreak was being released tomorrow. The electric jailbreak, people thought it was like, oh, is the jailbreak coming? Is the electric jailbreak coming today? I was like, no, it's a completely different jailbreak. And I also said in the video that there was literally a jailbreak that was released that day. So it was fake. It wasn't real. But at the time of filming that video, I was convinced it could have been real. I also said in the video, it was like, it could be real and it could not be. So be careful, guys. That's why I have Twitter. Exactly, yeah. You have Twitter for a reason. I also hate iReviews because it keeps showing useless tweaks just to make a video. Just to make videos. I haven't really watched many of his videos. I haven't even watched one, I don't think. So, sorry iReviews. Because I know he actually watched one of my videos and retweeted it. And that got a lot of views, actually. Didn't see in one of DJ Field's videos that he wasn't showing tweaks that made his phone look ugly. What video? Hello, Zionix. What's up? I'm just I was gonna end the stream like 10 minutes ago because I wanted to go and do a gaming stream, but I have actually started a gaming channel. So for people who are interested in subscribing to that, you can just go up, scroll up a little bit, and then you'll find it. Does anybody know how to change a standard YouTube account and move it to like a brand account, but keep all your subscribers and everything? I'm gonna remove all these tags because apparently you shouldn't have tags like that. Gaming. Benji, when can I jailbreak my iPad? I have no clue, so don't ask me. I'm not a jailbreak developer. I have no clue when a new jailbreak could come out. Hopefully in the next few months. That's all I can say. Well, that's all I know, so. By the way, Cool Star Surprise has still not been released yet, so it's gonna be really cool though. And it actually has been leaked on the Cydia... No, yeah, on something jailbreak. Everything jailbreak BenObi.org pro. What? I should do everything BenObi pro. New channel. I fix iPhones. Okay. Everything Benji Pro. Everything BenObi Pro. I'm pretty sure there's an option somewhere on the My Channel screen. Yeah, maybe. Alright, see you later, Logic. Thanks for coming on. Should I update to iOS 12 or no? I'm on the official version of 11.4. I mean, you could update, but if you don't really want a jailbreak. If you don't care about a jailbreak, just update, because iOS 12 is great for iPads. It's like iOS 11 was for iPads, but it's better. So, I don't know. It's up to you. If you want a jailbreak, stay on 11.4. If you don't, just, yeah. I'm going to get Amazon Prime. I highly recommend Amazon Prime for anybody. Anybody who orders stuff from Amazon needs Amazon Prime. Because you also get Amazon Prime Music and a bunch of other stuff. So you don't just get Amazon Prime delivery. There we go. Description has been updated with the links for Twitch. Twitch is the same, by the way. If you guys have subscribed before, it will still be the same exact BenObi gaming thing. It's just, it was weird to stream with BenObi 2000 on there. I'm on 11.3.1. Oh, Carl. Carl was on 11.3.1, then he updated because he was like, I don't really want a jailbreak. I want to jailbreak my iPad. The iPad came on 11.4, Lucas. Yes, Lucas. Before giving out an opinion, do your research. Okay, my iPod Touch 6th Gen on 11.4 or iOS 11.3.1. There's you do know that if you just go into settings general about, you'll find out. I have to sign for when my packages arrive next day. So, is that an issue? I don't have to do that. Sometimes I do have to sign on for Amazon, but it depends what item it is. Like for my Hackintosh parts, I think I had to actually sign. We've got 10 people on right now, even though I'm about to leave. Is there a trick to get the new animojis for 11.3? I don't know. There was one to get. There actually was one, but I'm not sure. Actually, I don't know if I'm gonna have to message the developer. I don't know if he's on here. He sometimes he creeps into my streams and he doesn't say anything, but it was iCloud locked. I'm asking you. I will have to it. Do you have to sign for your iPhone toolkit though? I don't know. Depends where you order it. I mean, I didn't have to sign for it. It arrived through the mail instead of Amazon Logistics. Is there a tweak to color the status bar on the iPhone 10? Yes, there is. It's called legibility, and you could also use battery percent X. So as you can see, my status bar is blue. Also, just check out that setup though. It looks better than the last one, I think. It looks cool. Like from Amazon. It depends, Carl. It depends what. It depends, I think, on your account and everything. Actually, Carl, if your parents have Amazon Prime, they can actually add you as their son, and you can actually use their Prime membership for next day Prime shipping. That's what I do with my dad. Basically, my account is connected to my dad's. Does it work good? Yes, it works. It actually works really well. And it doesn't just color the status bar. It also colors the buttons down there. And you can also pick and choose what colors you want and everything. But yeah, do you guys like the setup? That's the lock screen. I may change the lock screen widget, and that's the home screen. We've also got a music widget here. We've got that cool widget up there. I want to just remove the time on the status bar and just have that be Maybe the carrier or the date and time like that. Boxy doesn't work like me. It keeps making my phone slow. I don't know which tweak is messing up with it. Well, I've got Boxy and it's working fine. You wish Force a Picture worked on the YouTube app. I wish that as well. How do you spell it? And is there a repo? No, it's on Big Boss. Legibility is spelt legibility. At the start I thought it was legibility. Your theme is beautiful. I'm gonna tell the developer you said that. This is the Clotus theme, by the way. It's a really, really nice theme. This is underrated. There's so many other good themes out there, but this one is amazing. I love this jailbreak theme. It's awesome. Hello, Hamza. Okay, guys, I think I really want to go and play some Fortnite because I've been streaming for almost 2 hours here. I don't know why Zeppelin can't work on the iPhone 10. Well, I think one of the main reasons Zeppelin doesn't work on the iPhone 10 is because you don't see the carrier. The only place you see the carrier on is the lock screen. Where's the iPhone 5S that works? There's one here. This is an iPhone 5S that works. And there's also... Where's the other one? I have another one and it was here. Oh yeah, I think it's downstairs. It's got SIM lock. I need to fix it, but yeah, there's this one is working. Apart from the screen, which this needs a new screen because half of it doesn't work. The middle part doesn't work. Where's the iPhone 5S Silver is downstairs. The theme I personally use is Mint 2. That one's a good one as well. You're using Clotus? Yeah, it's really good. Stream Fortnite. Yeah, I'm gonna stream actually, Hamza, I have started a gaming channel, which is in the description below, but I'll post it in the live chat regardless. So subscribe. Well, okay, subscribe to BenObi Gaming. That's the last message I'm gonna put with that, and I'm gonna stream some Fortnite now. So I'm going to head off. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this stream, be sure to leave a like down below. And of course, if you are new and you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Yes, I did buy another iPhone 5S, Carl. I did. It's a space gray 16 gigabytes unlocked, in case you were wondering. But yeah, you're using Lotus. Oh yeah, Lotus is a good thing as well. Clotus is really good though. Sea Lotus, by the way. It's not Lotus. It's Clotus or Sea Lotus. Clotus. I'm just gonna say it's called Clotus. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, people are coming on now. People have just come on. I'm sorry, I'm leaving. I'm going to stream on Fortnite on my new gaming channel. I will stream on the gaming channel and also on Twitch. So I'll be streaming on both. If you guys want to watch it on Twitch, you can. If you want to watch it on the gaming channel, you can. Just be sure to go and subscribe to the gaming channel and turn on your notifications. I will do a setup video on my iPhone 10. It's just that I still haven't gotten the setup to look the way I want it to. So I'll still do a little bit of tweaking to it, and then I'll do actually a setup video. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on my gaming channel, I guess. My new gaming channel. I started to sit... Oh, why do I keep making channels? Anyway, guys. Yeah, I will do a face reveal as well. I'll do... this is my new face. See you later, guys. Why is it... It's not ended the stream. End. Please.